Hello, we are back. So you're going to run through 16 to about 24, 25-ish, can't remember. So let's get this section done. Question 16, Savio leaves his home at 7:30 to drive to work. He drives a distance of 50 miles. Savio thinks he drives at an average speed of 40 miles per hour. 40 miles per hour. If Savio is correct, what time will he arrive at work? So he'll do 40 miles in 1 hour. If I divide that by 4, I'm going to have a quarter of an hour, which is also known as 15 minutes. So that in total will make the 50. So it's 1 hour and 15 minutes. And we add that to the 7:30, which means he's going to get there at 08:45. And I'm keeping the same format as the question. In fact, Savio's average speed was greater than 40 miles an hour. How does this affect your answer? Well, my answer would be an earlier time. So he'd get to work faster. Done. Okay, question 17. 72 people did a test. This is a frequency tree question. So we've got 72 people that will go in there. 20 of the 32 adults. So we've got 32 adults. 20 of the 32 adults who did the test passed. So 20 passed. 6 of the children who did the test failed. So we've got 6 in there. So that's all the information that we've got from the question. We can see that the 2 bubbles need to add up to the previous bubble. So we've got 20 and 12 added to that will make 32. 32 adults plus 40 children will make 72. And then that will give us 34 into that past bubble. Okay, one of these people are picked at random. So that's going to be out of 72. Find the probability that this person is an adult who failed the test. So an adult who failed is in here. So 12 out of 72. I don't need to simplify that. It hasn't asked me to. We can if we want. We get to 6/36, which is 1 in 6. But I'm going to leave my final answer as 12/76. We've not been told to simplify it, so I'm not going to do that. All these pop-ups, get away. Right, question 18. Here's a list of ingredients for making 10 scones. Mia wants to make 25 scones. Work out how much sugar she needs. So she's got 40. If I divide it by 2, I get 20, which is 5 scones. And then if I take my 20 and multiply it by 5, this will give me 25 scones, which is 100 grams. 100 grams. Okay, increase 240 by 20%. I know that 10% is 24 because we just divide that by 10. Then we double it to get 48. And then the most important bit is to add that on because we're increasing the amount, which gives us 288. 288. Question 20 is one of the trickiest questions. So in here we've got 5/8 shaded, and here we've got 9/11 shaded. Now I marked this question and not many people got it right. We need to work out how much has been taken away, but also do it in fact we're in a position where we've got a common denominator. So I'm going to make these out of 88. And that's done so here by timesing by 8 and done so here by multiplying by 11, which means 55 out of 88 is shaded, meaning that 33 out of 88 is not. And then multiplying that by 8, 9 times 8 is 72. 72 out of 88 is shaded, so that's 16 out of 88, which is not. Now that means that this is going to be the same as this, and this one's going to be the same as this one. So we need to, it wants to know what bit's shaded. No, it's fine. We add these two together. So 33 over 88 plus 16 out of 88 will give me 49 out of 88. And then it wants to work out what fraction is shaded. So 88 take away, I'm going to do this like this. I want to make sure I'm getting this one correct. So 18 over take away 9 is 9. 39 out of 88. That is a nasty question. Lots to get your head round, but worth it when you get it right. Okay, question 21, stem and leaf diagram. I'm going through this with a few of my classes in the next few lessons. Our highest number, our lowest is 17, our highest is 47. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. And in fact, before I do this, I'm going to go unordered to begin with. For my key, I'm just going to put 1, 7 equals 17. So that's 1 mark by showing that key properly. I've got a 7, a 9, and then I've got 27 there. So that's those 3 done. 28, 37, 45, 29, 25, 47, 33, 27, 25, 27, 26, 37. So you can probably work out this is taking quite a while, but it's so important that you take your time on it. Now we order the numbers. So 1 and 7 makes 17, 1 and 9 makes 19. Basically, this is a better visual way to see numbers and compare them when we're looking for medians. So we've got 5s, there's 1 6, 1, 2, 3 7s, 1, 2, 3 7s, an 8 and a 9. This was a horrible one to mark. And then we've got 5 and 7. Okay, happy with that. Just go check how many numbers I've got. So I had 15 people there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Happy with that. Okay, centimetre grid shows the plan and the front elevation of a cylinder. Work out the volume, express it in terms of pi. So the volume is going to be pi r squared, and then we're going to multiply it by the height. This is the front elevation, so the little man is just looking there, or woman or person, whatever. And we've got a height of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a height of 5 centimetres. And then here we've got a radius of 3. So pi times by 3 squared times by 5. 3 squared is 9. Times by pi. And then 9 times 5 is 45. So our volume is 45 pi. Okay, question 23. First step, you just treat this like an equation. So 7x is less than 35. And then you divide throughout by 7, which gives us 5. So x is less than 5. Okay, last one before I go to a little break. 124 into a product of its primes. I'm going to split that into 2 and 62. 2 and 31. And it's done. So 2 squared times by 31. Right, that's that done. I'll see you for the next video. Like, subscribe, share it around, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.